Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this um, Screencastify watermark. So if you record your desktop screen with Screencastify, then you would know that you have this watermark. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of it. So you want to open a new tab, a random one, whatever you want, and then you want to record your video. And this watermark is going to pop up. Now you want to exit that random tab and then go to the tab that you want to record on, and there's no more watermark. And yeah, that's how you get rid of the Screencastify watermark. And yeah, subscribe for more of this hacks, and stay tuned for next week's video. And yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.